Hi, my name is Eric Tan, and I'm here to provide my thoughts on architectural relevance. I believe relevance in architecture can simply be determined through its ability to serve as a testament to the society it inhabits. Now, what I mean by this is that architecture represents the accumulation of humanity's efforts and inherent aspirations. To achieve this status, architecture must embody two essential components. The first is to exploit contemporary technologies and incorporate the socio-cultural values found within humanity at a certain period of time. I'll first discuss the topic of testament, and the examples I think best illustrates this idea of architecture as a monument to the times. Now, because of the time constraints, I don't think I'll have time to go into much detail about the next slides, but I think most of the images will be self-explanatory. Firstly, architecture must set standards for human achievement and design. Secondly, it must serve as a marker for the society it resides in. Thirdly, it must be the embodiment of the aspirations of a generation. And lastly, it must provide the foundations for the furthering of architectural discourse. To further this discussion, I believe the two components that create an architecture of value are essentially technology and time, by which I mean to be current cultural paradigms. These two topics go hand in hand, as technology influences the times and the times influence technology. For example, if we look at car design and technology, we see that a car from the 1950s looks and feels nothing like a car today, and yet it still performs the same functions and must accommodate humans. The difference is that technology and society have rapidly advanced since the 1950s. Trends change and technology has advanced, but the very idea of a car is still the same. It must provide a means to facilitate human travel. Next are slides that feature some of the work I feel that depict current trends and technological paradigms of architecture. So the following slides illustrates my personal work and my belief in a monumental and technologically, culturally contemporary architecture. I believe that architecture must make a statement about the society and times we currently occupy. So the first project is a computationally derived skyscraper, in which I harness the powers of current computational technologies to create a whole host of forms. So the next project is called Superbia, and it incorporates current conditions of how we live and how we choose to live and flips that idea upside down. Here are some of the process work. This next project takes into consideration the fact that the world will soon be flooded. Here are some of the process work again. And my last project exploits contemporary ways of manufacturing and also perhaps incorporates new ideas, well, not new, but new ways of tackling the problems of tectonics and form. And here are the process work. Yep, and that's it. Thank you very much.